Hello and welcome to the latest episode of CAVC TV. I'm Enrichment Coordinator Lisa Jones and I'm at our Cardiff International Sports Campus in Leckwith. This week we'll be looking at some opportunities the college can offer you outside of your course, including our sports academies, which are based right here. At CAVC there's lots to get involved in outside your course, from one-off events to clubs to our sports academies. Perhaps you have a talent or passion. For example, you may be a talented rugby player or a great singer. If so, it's not too late to let us know and we can help you join others like you and grow those skills alongside your learning. Or you may want to further your skills or develop new ones to help you stand out from the crowd, or just want to meet other students. This may see you join a club regularly through the year or take part in a one-off event. So, what can you do? There's lots to choose from. We have a variety of different clubs, from maths club through to drama and a discussion club, an annual musical, the opportunity to train for a career in television with It's My Shout, regular tea and talk sessions, mindfulness activities and more. And if you fancy setting up your own club or society or have any hobbies you'd like to share with other students, we can help you with that too. To find out more, check out the enrichment page on the student portal or on the My CAVC app, or email me via lajones@cavc.ac.uk. The address is on your screen. Another option is sport. Let's hear a little bit about what takes place here at our sports campus and how you can get involved.
Hi, I'm James Young and I'm Head of Sport here at Cardiff and Vale College. CAVC is a leading college for sport, providing an inspirational environment for you to focus on your chosen sport whilst also gaining a quality education. Whatever course you're studying, we'll work with you to fit your training and competing around your learning. So whether you join one of our academies or you continue to pursue your individual sporting goal, you can reach your potential on and off the field. We currently have academies for basketball, cricket, football, netball and rugby. Our academies have supported talented students to play for the college, the region and their country, some progressing to play semi-professionally and professionally in their sport. We have fantastic facilities and support, including dedicated strength and conditioning gym, specialist coaches and this fantastic facility here. We also have strong links with the leading professional clubs in the region, which can open up opportunities for you. And it's not too late to join an academy. Just go to the CAVC website and complete the form. The address is on your screen now. Alternatively, ask your tutor and they will either get in touch with me or one of the coaches. Things are a little bit different at the moment due to COVID-19, but we're following government guidelines to ensure our teams have the opportunity to train and compete in a safe environment. Each year we work with our individual students with elite sporting ambitions in a range of sports to balance their training, competitions and study. If you haven't already been in contact with us for support, we want to hear from you. You can speak to your tutor or email elitesport@cavc.ac.uk. Finally, if you simply want to stay active and participate in sport for your own enjoyment and well-being, there's opportunities for you too, online and on campus, which you can find on the student portal. That's it for CAVC TV this week. Don't forget, you can watch all previous episodes on the student portal.